All right, so now I'm going to tell you the things that I use the most to get a lot of calories and in a healthy way. So here I have a dog fat, I have cashews, and I have cream. So I'm going to tell you all the things, so that way if you have to bulk up, I don't know, for because you like to work out, or maybe you are a businessman and you want to eat, healthy, but you don't want to eat junk food. So I want to show you the things that I eat, and how you can calculate the calories. So I'm going to show you this. This will be the last one. So I'm going to show you the least, the one that has the least amount of calories, but it tastes good and it doesn't have anything weird. So as you can see, we have lactose-free, half and half. So half milk, half cream. I like it a lot. This is the only brand that I know. I don't know any other brand that they have, lactose-free, half and half. The rest, it doesn't exist. There is no competition for this. So here, as you can see, I'm going to show you in my calculator, so the way you can see. So all you have to do is you have to see, okay, how many milligrams do I have here? So in this case, so the way you know how to calculate the calories. So it's 946 divided by the serving size. In this case is 300 milligrams. So you have 31 servings here, and now we have to multiply by the calories. So in this case by 40, and that's it. So we have almost 1300 calories, and that's it. So as you can see here, it says milk, cream, lactose enzyme, and that's it. There is nothing else here. So as you can see, no added sugar. It says sugar 1 gram, but at least in total carbs is 1 gram. It's almost zero in percentage. Here it says saturated fat 2 grams. So at least if you follow, the keto diet, this is great. Now I have this. This is great. This is only in Whole Foods. They don't sell it anywhere else. I just finished this now, and it doesn't say the amount of calories or anything like that. So the only sticker that you see here is this. That's it. This is a quarter. That's it. If you want to know more, maybe you have to go to their website. So as you can see here, it says Homestead, cream, burnt chimney, VA, and the zip code, and that's it. So this tastes great. To me, is the best whipped cream that you can find in the market. You put this in one of those little blenders that you see here on the screen, and it works amazing. I mean, it's like 10 seconds, and you have cream already with this. The one that is from this company. If you try any other cream, it's like a minute, 2 minutes, in the blender. I mean, it's terrible. It seems like this tastes great. Usually I use it like that. I mean, if I am, visiting customers or something like that, I just buy one of these and I drink it, and that's it. Of course, you cannot drink it all. This is a lot of calories, but you can drink maybe just quarter will be okay, or you can, drink as much as you want. Or if you think that you're going to be in a hot weather, you can buy maybe, I don't know this brand, because I haven't seen this brand, in a smaller size, but you can buy another brand. Cream, small size, I think is 200 milligrams, and you drink that and you are going to be satisfied very, very well. So here we have the next. If you are working out, again, like I showed you before, here at least in US we have this. If you go to another countries, it's more difficult to find, cashews or a mix of cashews with pistachios and everything. So this is it. So as you can see, it says 500 grams. So if we do the math here, 517, and here it says, again, all you have to do is put first the weight, or the milligrams. This case is the weight, and then here we have, it says 28 grams is one serving, is a serving size, so divided by 28, and then we have 18 serving size. So here you have to multiply by the calories times 170, and that's it. So you have 3,000 calories. Is a lot, and I mean, I cannot consume in one day the whole thing. So maybe just a quarter, it will be plenty enough. But this is another way, to have a lot of calories in a small package. Also remember that the size of your stomach is like the size of your fist. If you eat more than this, you're going to have a big stomach. So by eating little, like with a lot of calories, that is what we need. If you eat, for instance, vegetables, you have to eat a lot of vegetables to get the same amount of calories. But with these type of things, just a little bit, that's it. You don't have to increase is your belly size. So this is the winner to me. I like it a lot. So if you're, like most people that we are, we were raised by average or mediocre family, and they give us, ice cream, cookies, noodles, and all those junk food when we were little. So if you taste something like that, this is in a liquid form, as you can see, and it's going to taste kind of weird. But after a while, I mean, I just drink it just fine. I mean, I just open it, drink it, that's it. You don't have to put it in the fridge or anything like that, as I can tell. And nothing happens. I mean, it lasts for a very long time. And as you can see, I have almost all gone. And these are like $10, I don't remember, but it lasts a lot. So usually I don't drink this in one day. Usually I drink it when I need it. Maybe it could be like 2-3 days until I drink it again. But if you want a lot of calories in a small size, this is the way to go. So I'm going to show you the calories so that way you can know. So as you can see here, we have 320 grams of fat, and then we're going to divide it by the serving size. As you can see here, it says for 14 grams divided 14. So we have 22 servings times 130, and that's it. So we have almost like 3,000 calories. So almost like this, and in a very, very tiny size, and it's drinkable. And if you want something that I do sometimes, because we get bored, at least I get bored, and most people get bored, if they eat the same thing every day. I made videos in my other channel. They are called like mind versus biology, and the body will tell you, okay, if you're eating too much of the same thing, you need different type of nutrients. So, and then it will give you the sign saying, okay, it's time to eat something else. So if that is the case, what you can do is, if you want to keep eating this, you can mix it with something else. So in this case, I have the magic bullet, and what I do is I put maybe a little bit of Parmesan cheese or feta cheese or any cheese like that. You put it in the blender, and then you mix it, drink it, and that's it. Very easy, and it tastes very, very good if you do something like that. Otherwise, if you have willpower, do that. Just drink it by itself. I have done it before, no problem with that. It will taste until you get used to it, and after that, that's it. So if you're doing the keto diet like I'm doing, to me it's great. It's low carbs, or no carbs, fat, and protein. I like to eat big steak almost every night, and that it works very, very good for me. So the way you don't have to eat all the time, and I eat maybe like once or twice a day, and I feel great. The rest is just water, and likely, and that is enough. Otherwise, carbonated water, I like that as well, and that's it. As usual, I am in US. If you want me to send you tools, electronics, or maybe something that is not perishable, I can send it to you. Otherwise, I can try to leave you in the video description so that way you can buy everything yourself. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next time.